Gillier Drainage is a family-owned and operated drainage company with over 50 years of experience in the drainage industry. Located in Chatham, Kent, we provide our services all across southern Ontario. We specialize in drainage tile, GPS services, camera inspections, tile locating, and even site planning. Our experience in this industry has enabled us to develop new and innovative methods of installing subsurface drainage networks that help mitigate production time. This video details one of our latest innovations, and that's our custom fabricated drainage plow shoes. By utilizing these customized shoes, we have developed an efficient way of installing large diameter pipes using a drainage plow. And by watching this video, you will get to see how it's done. First, let's give you a little background on our custom fabricated drainage shoes. We have two custom shoes in operation at Gillier Drainage, both of which can accommodate smooth wall drainage pipes. They have both been fabricated by our in-house drainage specialists and are made out of steel, thus ensuring longevity and reliability. Our first shoe can accommodate 8-inch to 18-inch pipe, while our second shoe is designed to install pipe with a 21-inch to 24-inch diameter. This enables us to step down gradually in pipe sizes without having to modify our system so frequently. Within each of these shoes, we have installed a weatherproof camera that targets the point of insertion of the previous pipe. This allows our operator to have a visual of a connection in process and gives them an idea of when to continue with installation of the next pipe. When using these shoes for any given job, the associated work crew typically consists of 1 plow operator, 2 excavator operators, and 6 laborers. Utilizing this system allows us to ensure that efficiency is always maintained and workflow is never interrupted. Now let's break down the process step by step. Once a job has been designed and planned, the corridor requiring large diameter pipe will be collected via GPS, which will then be used for accurate topographic reference. Using this data, flags and stakes will be used to physically mark the corridor on site. Stakes are placed to indicate where a grade change may occur and where basins may be installed. The flags indicate boundary lines which will prevent crop damage in certain areas. On jobs such as these, it is common practice to first strip the topsoil. Typically, we remove 4 to 6 inches of topsoil. The reason for this is because we want to ensure that topsoil will not be used for backfilling the corridor after installation. Once stripping has been completed, we can begin preparing the trench. Preparing the trench helps us ensure we have an optimal depth when it comes to the drainage plow. In most cases, the optimal pulling depth is 4 feet. It is not uncommon, however, for this 4-foot limit to be surpassed. In these situations, excavators will be required to excavate the trench for the machine to operate in. In order to ensure a smooth workflow, the necessary materials are staged appropriately. This includes laying the pipe along the edge of the trench. Typically, we run 3 non-perforated sections to every 1 perforated. Usually these perforated sections will have a sock added in most cases. This scenario may differ depending on soil type and project specifications. We are now ready to begin installing the pipe within the trench. First, the plow is backed down into the trench with the shoe attached. From there, the pipe is then loaded into the shoe by the crew. During the installation process, lubricant is applied to the seals of the pipe before being lowered into the shoe, thus allowing for easier connections to the previously installed pipe. Once the pipe has been inserted into the shoe and is in place for installation, a hydraulic ramming press inside of the shoe is engaged to connect with the pipe and push it securely into the bell of the previous pipe. This ensures a firm connection is established and eliminates the pipe from separating. The plow will then continue trenching for the next pipe to be installed. As the pipe continues being installed, the finished sections will end up with a mild covering from spoil piles along the side of the trench that fall back in as the plow moves along. Following this, the remainder will immediately be fully backfilled using excavators. Doing this ensures that the pipe stays embedded in its intended place and prevents any major shifting from occurring. If backfilling operations are not performed in tandem with pipe installation, the job could potentially result in pipes disconnecting and floating within the trench. During the entire installation process, quality checks are performed regularly. This includes checking elevations using the GPS system on the plow. This ensures we maintain grade with accuracy and helps us monitor any necessary grade changes we make as required. As sections of the corridor are completed and backfilled, a bulldozer is used for grading to ensure the work site is properly leveled and returned back to its original state. Once steps 1 through 8 have been executed, this procedure will be repeated as necessary until the job has been completed. This sums up our system for installing large diameter pipes using a drainage plow. We have found this system has increased our work efficiency while at the same time lowering our production time. This helps us save on cost and keep our customers satisfied as we can get the work done quicker. Our end goal is to always find the most efficient way to get the job done and still deliver the most reliable drainage system that a customer can ask for. We hope our innovations will help you on your path to the same end goal. We thank you for watching.